All right, so let me show you this microphone isolation shield. That's what the back looks like. It works really well. This is one of my setups I have here. I have a few different setups depending on what sound I want to get, but most of the time when I'm right here, my mic will be in here and I'll keep it like this. So depending on what I'm doing. So like if I'm recording vocals, I'll kind of just keep a mic right there and then just kind of stick my face in there. Something else, this right here, this doesn't come with it. So it comes like this, and it has some little attachments to hook up for stands, for different types of mic stands. So this is a mic stand from something else. So let me show you. To get a different, it does create a different sound because it lifts it up. So if it's completely covered, that kind of has a different tone to it than if it's up. So one of these attachments, let me find the right one. Let me find the one that works. I think it's this one. Yeah. It was the first one. The first one that I grabbed. So I hook that up to it. Stick it on there, put the little washer on there. And then tighten it up. And now we elevate it. And that creates, it creates a different tone, because you got this, your voice is going out from underneath and it opens it up a little bit. So you can just mess around with it, do some different things. Try some of these attachments. If you have like different mic stands, there's different attachments that you can hook up. So you could even make it even, I could hook this one up to this one and raise it even more if I wanted to. And you know, I don't need to, but this is pretty much what I will do with it. I'll either have it like this, or I'll have it all the way down, which mostly, for me, I mostly have it all the way down, but that's an option. And also you can, if you have other mic stands that are bigger than this, you know, you can hook them up to that too. So that's pretty cool. It works well. I like it. I really like it. So I hope that helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.